Watch this video and learn how to draw a panda bear. Later in the video, Bunny and Artie have a song break. And watch to the end to see Artie have a potty break. Ooh, are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
What? You're not in the mood?
No.
But you're Artie.
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Oh, Artie.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready, Artie?
I'm ready.
Do you have one of your poems for us?
Yeah, Artie's been practicing. It's time to start and make some art. Yeah.
Wow, that was really good, Artie.
Artie is so cute.
Let's start by drawing our panda's left eye. In the middle of the page, just to the left. A nice oval shape, but draw it sort of leaning over, slightly to the side. Wow, Artie, I think you just drew a boiled egg.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
you didn't even know you were drawing an egg. Let's draw a little circle inside towards the top and shade it in black. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Bobby.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Thank you, Bobby. Now, Artie, let's draw the right eye. Another oval, egg-shaped eye. Try and make it about the same size as the left one. That's it. It's a little bit bigger, but that doesn't matter. Don't forget the little circle in the middle. And then shade it in completely black. Great job, Artie. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure!
Oh,
Wow! Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie!
thank you.
Good job! Stay positive! Bye!
Bye.
Oh, it's always nice when Bunny comes to visit. Now let's draw the top part of our panda's head. A nice big sort of giant half circle shape, starting at the left of the left eye, going all the way across the top, and then come back down again, Artie, that's it, to the bottom of the right eye.
Oh, song break.
You want a song break?
Yeah, let's have a song break.
Okay.
Okay.
Artie's been busy all day long, running and playing, singing his song. But now his eyes are getting so tired, it's time for a nap, he's getting so tired. Artie needs a nap, he must go. He'll close his eyes and let his dreams flow. Rest for a while, it's all he needs to grow big and strong, just like the trees. His teddy's near, his blanket's so warm. The room is quiet, no need for alarm. Artie lays down, he's ready to rest. A little nap will make him his best. Artie needs a nap, he's got to go. He'll close his eyes and let his dreams flow. Rest for a while, it's all he needs to grow big and strong, just like the trees. Artie dreams of adventure so grand. playing with friends in a wonderland. When he wakes up, he'll be full of cheer, ready for fun with nothing to fear. Artie needs a nap, he's got to go. He'll close his eyes and let his dreams flow. Rest for a while, it's all he needs to grow big and strong, just like the trees. Just like the trees. Just like the trees.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It was.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Oh, I enjoyed so
You
much.
and Bunny have great voices.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing now?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now let's draw the bottom part of our panda's face. We're going to keep going round, making a sort of big circle shape around those eyes. Great job, Artie. Keep watching because Artie's going to have a potty break. Let's draw a cute little oval panda nose, and then a straight line down from the bottom of the nose, and then a smiley curve across the bottom. Oh, that already looks cute. Now let's add the left ear. We'll draw a nice big oval shape on the left side. Now draw a smaller oval shape inside. He's looking so cute already, Artie.
Oh, Painty. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Painty.
Oh, I love it.
Don't laugh, Barry. Painty just made a mess. There's green paint all over the floor and all over this chair. And I suppose we'll clean it up later. That's right, Artie. Let's draw the right ear. Now we should start the bot.
Artie needs something.
Oh, well, what do you need, Artie?
Artie needs potty break.
Oh, you need a potty break?
Yeah, potty break.
All right, well, go on then.
Artie go potty?
Yes, go on.
Yeah. Okay. No, that way.
Do you feel better now, Artie?
Okay, Artie good now.
Oh, good.
Back to drawing.
All right, let's carry on. Let's draw his left paw, a big U-shaped curve. Perfect.
Wow, that's amazing.
So impressive.
Yeah, he's pretty good at drawing, isn't he, guys? Okay, now let's draw the right paw. Oh, he's looking cuter by the second, Artie. How about a back leg?
Hi, Artie. Whoa! Look at that drawing. It deserves a musical number. Once Artie did a drawing. It was so cool. It needed a musical number. Bye.
Oh, Barry, now all the neighbourhood dogs are barking again. Ugh. Oh, that's good, Artie. I see you added the tail. And a little leg. Oh, how about the tummy? Well, that's it, I think, Artie. It looks finished to me.
Finished.
Awesome, but it needs something else.
It needs some color.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Colour it in.
Color! Coloring time.
Colour it in. Colour it in.
Color it in.
Finished. All done. Yeah.
Great job, Artie.
Oh, yeah. It looks really nice. love all the colours.
Love the pink ears.
Yeah.
Are you pleased?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day!
Well, that's about it for today, little artists, but always remember, keep drawing and keep singing.
That was a fun show. We hope you join us again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye, little artists. Bye. Bye-bye.